Alright, Hare Krishna to everyone, I am actually a friend. Today I will show you one easy science experiment that you can also try at home. So without any delay, let's get started. So guys, material required for doing this science experiment is that you need to take turmeric, some water, a little bit of detergent and lemon. So guys, first step to do this science experiment is that you need to put a little bit of turmeric, just a little bit like this, inside the water. And now you need to mix it. See. As you can see, that color is yellow. You can see clearly that the mixture of turmeric and water is yellow. Now second step is that you need to just add a little bit of detergent inside it. Like this. And now you need to mix it. See. Magic. The color from yellow is turned into red after putting the detergent in it. See, it is reddish brown in color. So guys, third step is that you need to put lemon juice inside it. See. Yeah, put it. Now you need to mix it. Done. See, again, the color is yellow. So guys, you might be thinking that how it is possible. It is possible because as you have seen, that color changes to yellow again when we put lemon into that solution. Because turmeric is another natural indicator. And turmeric turns into reddish brown with the base. Turmeric does not change its color with acid. I hope you all enjoyed the video. So like this video, subscribe the channel forever and turn that notification bell on to see my videos, to never miss any updates. And most important thing is that keep chanting Nam. So that's all. Bye bye.